Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are learning how to clear your cache on Binance. If you want to clear out your cache data using the Binance mobile application, then the process is quite easy. Launch Open Binance application from your app drawer and also make sure to log into your account. Once logged in, from the main homepage, tap on the Binance logo appearing at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on the gear button at the top right and then scroll all the way down until you find the Clear Cache option under Others. Simply tap on Clear Cache and choose Yes in the dialog box in order to clear out your cache data from your Binance application. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next episode. Goodbye till then.